Math Day, Great Day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead Channel. We will turn your math worry into mastery. I am Teacher Kier. Let us have fun while learning. For our topic for today, we will focus in illustrate the center radius form of the equation of the circle. Our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should able to understand the center radius form of the equation of a circle. Determine the center and radius of a circle from a given equation in center radius form. And plot a circle on a coordinate plane using its center and radius derived from the equation. Before we proceed to our topic for today, let us have first an engaging activity. This activity entitled Arrange Me Baby. It is an anagram game. You just need to arrange the given word to form another word as well. Exciting, right? Okay, let's start. Number 1. It's cleric. Very good. It's a circle. How about number 2? Recent. Okay, it's a center. Number 3. Darius. Very good. It is a radius. And how about an equation strand? Great job. It is standard equation. And last, number 5. Angeline equator. Good job. It is a general equation. And that ends our mini activity. Now, we will proceed to our activating knowledge. Standard equation of a circle in coordinate plane whose center is h, k as the coordinates of the center and radius of length r is. And here is the standard form of the equation. The general equation of a circle where d, e, and f are real numbers. This equation is obtained by expanding the standard equation of a circle. And here is the general equation form of a circle. To better understanding, let us have an example. Example number 1. Find the center and the radius of a circle x squared plus y squared equals 64. Then graph the circle into coordinate plane. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. We can easily identify the center and the radius of this circle. The center of this circle is 0 and our k is also 0. Then square the radius 64, it is equals to 8. That's the radius will be 8. And here is the graph of this circle. The center will be placed in the origin. Example number 2. Find the center and the radius of the circle x minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 25. Then illustrate the graph on the coordinate plane. Substitute all the given and get the positive square root of 25. Given this general equation, now we can easily get the center and the radius of the circle by getting the additive inverse of x and y. The answer is the center or h will be positive 2 and k or y will be positive 4. And the radius of our circle is 5. And here's the graph of this circle. Example number 3. What is the center and radius of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y plus 18 equals 0? Then illustrate the graph. To determine the center and radius, we need to write the equation into standard form. First, we need to arrange the equation, then get the perfect square trinomial of the given equation. Add both sides of the equation, the square of 1/2, the coefficient of the middle term in x, and the middle term of y as well. Or simply divide the middle term by 2. When we add in the left side, we also add in the right side. Then express as to square binomial. After we get the standard form of the circle, we can easily identify the center and the radius by getting the additive inverse of the x and y, or h and k. And now the answer is the center is positive 3 since our h is negative 3 and positive 5 is our k, and our radius is 4. And here's the graph of this example. At this point, we will develop your competencies by answering these questions. You may pause this video once the questions are posted, and you may resume after you solve each problem. Then we will be going to reveal the answer right after. Got it? Okay, let's start. For our instruction, determine the center and the radius of the circle that is defined by each of the following equation. Then graph each on a coordinate plane. Number 1. X squared plus y squared equals 3 squared. Here's the solution and the answer. Number 2. X squared, y squared minus 5 squared equals 25. And here's the solution and the answer. Number 3. X plus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 4. And here's the solution and the answer. Number 4. X squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 4 equals 0. And here's the solution and the answer. And that ends our discussion. Thank you for listening.